Hey guys, what's up? Today I have something special in this episode, and first of all, I need to give a big thanks to Eugene. Eugene is a very awesome designer. He has some amazing work, amazing animations. You should totally check his work on Dribble, follow him on Instagram, also on Facebook. And why I'm saying all of this, because I actually asked him if I can implement one of his idea into one of my videos, and he agreed on that. And thank you for that. And let's take a quick preview for today's video. Yeah, so you should totally check Eugene's work, and you can see which idea of him I just implemented into my video. So as usual, file is down in the description. Assets included. Just download the file and we can get started. You can just quickly see all the components that we're going to be using are here. This is how you show at the end. Okay, delete them. Have a bit more space. Add our first artboard. The iPhone 10 works every time. Okay, grid, square, 5 pixel square size. And now we want to add our product cards. And first of all, we need to add this one, and also this one, this, and this. And why I suggest you to keep this order, or most importantly, that this card should be placed here, because we're gonna be animating this card and we have two separate images. I just created them just for this card. This one are just one image. Okay, let's find a good spot for our cards. 15 to left. Let's see 40 to top. Let's have for all of the cards same. 15 between. Just put them in place quickly. It's very easy. Perfect. So let's name it home. Well, actually, it's not the home page, but yeah, it's a step between. It's a step inside a shopping process. Just evenly distribute these two icons, the back one and the search. I want to add the menu, add a new copy, put it in place. Now let's make sure we have the back icon, the search, the menu, and this component, this card. Put it to front, and more exactly bring this one to front. Group 40. Let's make sure we have it beneath the menu. Oh, it was good from the start. We need to have this beneath this, and this. So first artboard is done. So good so far. And what we want to do now is to add a bit of how can I say, elastic drag for the cards. We want to expand the height of them and also increase the size of the pictures, so we can have a more elastic stretch effect for our cards. Let me show you quickly how it's done. we need to add, let's say, 15 pixels to the height for each of our cards. Just that 40. How many? Okay. Oops, I selected the menu also. Let's hide the menu. Select them. You can just do plus 15. Let's make sure we have the same amount of space. 15. 15. 15. Perfect. Perfect. What we want to do is just slightly increase the size of the images, maybe realign it, move it a bit down, increase the size, increase this one, also increase this one. Oops, don't get inside the images. Maybe so. Be creative, find a proper sizing. Not a bit, not too much. Cool. Let's make it a bit more fun. Increase the height of the icons a bit, not too much. Okay, let's select again all the cards, drag them as we do a simple gesture drag for sliding down to the products. Let's make sure, yeah, they have the same distance to the bottom of the card. Great. Let's name it drag, draft. Okay. Let's put back the menu. And now what we want to do, just make a new copy of the home. Let's name it final, or doesn't really matter how you name it. Select all the cards. And let's say let's leave it like so. Perfect. So these steps are good. Now let's switch to the prototype tab and let's use this card as a primary trigger action. Link it to the drag artboard, and we want to use as a gesture or trigger drag auto animate. Be sure to have auto animate, not transition. Destination drag, easing, let's say ease out. And for this card, for this artboard, select the entire artboard, link it to the final one. We want to have a trigger time, delay 0, and a snap to 0.6. Let's see. Here. Let's change it to ease in. Perfect. Let's double check. Yeah, it's also increased a bit. Let's hide the way. Yeah, we can just fix it, make sure we have the same height as here, like I can really see 38. Now it's a bit increased. Delete these values, make it 38. I think what you should do is do this for each of them, of the heading of the title. Delete this value, make sure we have 38. I'll not do it for all of them, but you will get the idea. You just make it for these two cards. Make sure 38, perfect. And also just for this one. One, two, three. Perfect. 6. Cool. So now it should be even smoother. Yeah, perfect. Great. One second. What we want to do now, create a new copy from the final. Put it somewhere. Good. Final. And let's name it expand, because in this section we will expand this card. Okay. So we're into this group. The background selected. Just drag it a bit outside the artboard. And what we want to have, we want to increase the images, maybe like so. Oops. Okay, find a good position for them. I will put them like so. Now we want to increase the title for the product. Make sure we have delete the 0.5 value, 25 padding to left, and 23. Let's put it here because it's annoying. 35. Good. And in this artboard, we want to add the general information stuff. And this is a group. And what we want to do is just drag it inside our group 40. And actually beneath the product title. Let's make sure. $25, perfect. What we want to do here, go inside the group, select the entire info card component, let's move it like there. Select the video and title. We will add a bit of delay to the animation. Select the entire group, reduce opacity to 0. Perfect. Just make a new copy. time let's name it info. Put back in, put the sorry, put the info card back in place. Let's make sure we have 15 here down at the bottom. To show you here. Also moving the group, the video group. Nice. I think we should properly align those. Let's have 20 between them. Perfect. I think we can go even way up a bit. Make sure you hold Shift and select all the elements. Now let's leave it like so, because we need to change it also in this screen. You can change it. We need to save some time on that. Let's make a test. Go to the prototype, select this product card, link it to the final expand. We want to add a tap interaction, tap trigger, action, make sure to have it on auto animate, ease in, ease out, 0.6 should do fine. Not really. .4. It's a bit fast. Oh, you see we have an annoying bug here. Let's quickly fix it. Go back, go inside the group, switch to design tab. Make sure you have the rectangle one selected. This is the background of the card. And what we want to do is to expand it as much as we were where we placed this image. So they're edge to edge. So the background scales proportionally with the movement and the final destination of the two images. Or if just to show you, if we had placed it here, we need to go with the background until there. But we want to have it a bit here, so we have the effect of sliding gallery. Let's see here. Yeah, perfect. Now we need to do the same exact thing to this artboard. Perfect. So far so good. We're moving pretty fast. And what we want to do now, create a new artboard, a new copy of the final one. Let's just name it add, because now we want to add the product to our cart. Go inside the group, just select the images, drag them as you want to have them, the final position, let's say here. Scale this one as well. Also add a bit of rotation. Cool. This one I need to decrease it even more. Let's slightly rotate it. somewhere here. Perfect. And if you go inside the menu group, it's here you can find the circle, same color. You can find it, you can see it here, ellipse 4. Just drag it a bit there. Go inside the group of the icons. Have a slightly rotated effect. Increase it a bit. I'm gonna leave it like so. If you want to stylize a bit, change the position, the rotation, the size. Perfect. Now let's see, switch to the prototype tab, select the earbuds, link it to the final artboard, and add as a interaction trigger, drag. Sorry. Make sure action auto animate, easing, let's say ease out. Let's make it a test. Perfect. It's working very nicely. Oh, and a thing here, not really pleased with the play button from this module. If you want, you can just move all the general information above and case closed. Perfect. What we want to do, create a new copy of the final artboard. Let's rename it new. Now I'll show you why. Now you can just put back the circle, doesn't really matter where. Put the card back into his group. Make sure we have 0 for rotation. Make sure to put it back. Perfect. Not really. Oh, delete those values. Just, I don't know why I'm losing my time with this when you can just delete it. You can just delete this and add a new one, the exact same position. For these two layers, we want to reduce opacity to 0. Hold shift and use the down key and move them away. Let's switch to prototype. Select the entire artboard, the final add, link it to the final new. We want to have as a time trigger, 0 delay, is out. We can go to snap. 0.2 seconds. Let's see. Perfect until here. And voila. Nice. But now we want to add the new product. Maybe we want to buy more pairs. What we want to do, just go to a previous artboard, make a copy of these two images, Command C, Control C on Windows. From this group, make sure you have just these two selected. you can just paste it. They will paste it in place, and also here. But no, just undo, because we want to have them as a group and add it as a add product. What you want to do, switch to design, put it somewhere there, reduce opacity to 0, make a copy. Now let's undo it, make a copy from here, add it here, perfect. And now just do this. Let's make the test. From the beginning, we have the elastic drag, the expand. Oh, we forgot something. We want to connect the final expand to the info as exactly this time, delay 0, ease out 0.6. Let's go do it again. Yeah, we moved it. Need to fix that. Add the new card, and the new product shows up. Shown. And what we want to do, just link the final new artboard to the file info as a time action transition, actually. Animation, none. And what happens? Okay, we add one, we have a new one, we have a new one. We can do an infinite loop of adding products to the cart. It's a continuous loop. Wait. Oh, yeah. What you want to do is to switch to design tab, add a notification, let's say. Let me just check one thing. Yeah. Let's add a notification that we had added a product to our group. Let's use this red. Right click, add color to assets. Switch to asset mode. We have that red. Apply it as a fill. No border. We want to add number 1. So we have one product in our basket. 24. Make 25. Perfect. Line it to the middle. We want to have 5 as a width. Not really the perfect. Yeah. Let's make it 10. 15. Perfect. To the center. Oops. No, it's not working like that. It's like so. Perfect. Let's change the color to white. Now we can decrease the circle, make them as a group, switch to layer, let's name it 1, and make a copy from here to this artboard and put it somewhere there. Bit too. I think we can leave it like so there. And here we want to decrease the opacity Let's make a test. And now we want to delay a bit longer the duration, so we can just have the feeling how it looks. Bam. The notification jumps from down above the card. One added. Nice. And what can we do? Quick thing. Oh, let's connect this back button to this artboard, and you want to have it as a tab. Auto animate snap 0.2 seconds and snaps back. Let's fix this. Forgot about that. Switch to design. I think we middle align it. Perfect. How much to top? 441. Here to which top? Yeah. 441. What's happening? Yeah. Something is going on and I don't really know what. Ah, Jesus. I couldn't see the number, I saw a wrong number. Yeah, perfect. And I think, oh, it's so annoying, this has a problem. Delete it. Let's make it the hard way. Go here, displace this component, make sure you have it selected, decrease to 0. Oh, nope. The whole group, 0 opacity. Prototype, link the card to this, trigger tab, snap, now is out 0.6. And we need to link this card to this card and have it as time is out 0.6. Perfect. Perfect. Go back. Go back. Perfect. So this was actually Eugene's idea, the one with the dragging of the product, like so. I somehow adapted this design a bit, so not really a 100% copy. I just implemented the idea. So what you can actually do more, you can just change the background of the images, of the components. You can see, you can add maybe red or have a more specific color. Let's use this one. Look. Looking awesome. Put the text white and you have something different. Even cooler. But I will add them to white. So just to know that you can change the background of each card. Then we want to have I think this looks awesome. Just play with it. And I think that's it. Let's make a final look. Let's take a final look. Cool drag, elastic. Very nice. Perfect. Cool, super. So thanks for watching, and till then, take care and goodbye.